Yo, what's up Hemifam family? In today's video, we're going to be taking this old hag and basically returning it back to stock, taking off all the graphics, all the vinyl, all the decals. It is all coming off today. Then we are going to wash it, clay it, and prep this vehicle for the new color, guys, which we will then have a new series of wrapping our own vehicle. The vinyl has been ordered and we're gonna wrap this old hag a brand new color. But before we get off into today's video, do me a huge favor. If you aren't a subscriber, be sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for post notifications. That way you stay up to date with all things Hemifam. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. And with all that being said, guys, let's go ahead and get off into today's video. So like I said, we're gonna take this old hag and basically pull off all the vinyl. The shark teeth we just installed are coming off. Some say, I mean, what are you doing, bro? You're ruining your car. I mean, you spent all this time, you know, making it look the way it is. The door handles, pillars, we have a lot of graphics on this car, but the new color has been chosen. It is in and we're gonna get it on the car, guys. If you follow me on Instagram, you may have already seen the new color, but we're gonna get the vinyl all off the car in today's video. And in the next few videos, we are gonna be doing a series of wrapping the car at home and showing you the different portions of, you know, how we wrap the vehicle at home in our own garage, guys. So let's go ahead and get off into today's video and start peeling some vinyl. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. What'd you think of the old hag back to 1.0? It looks so weird to me, bone stock. Just that pitch black, I mean, mean, nasty looking color, guys. If you know me, you know I love my pitch black, my red and black theme. Although the black has got to go. There is way too many black Chargers just around in my city, all over Instagram, so the black has got to go, and we are jumping out of the safe zone with this new color, and it's going to be absolutely awesome, guys. So let me know what you think in the comments of the old hag 1.0, what you guys think of how it looks, almost bone stockish. Drop a comment, let me know. And like I said, be sure you are subscribed to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. That way you can stay up to date with the new series that we're gonna do, wrapping the car at home. So we will post a few different videos, different sections of us wrapping the car and showing you guys you know, how to wrap it. It is kind of difficult, especially the front and rear bumpers. Don't recommend you doing it if you aren't somewhat familiar with vinyl, but we're gonna do it, guys. And if we mess up and burn through some vinyl. Alright, Hemifam family, with all that being said, I really can't thank you enough for watching and tuning in today's video. Be sure you like this video, share it on social media, subscribe if you haven't already. Check the video description for all of our social media links and handles. Follow us there. We also have a really cool affiliate section for you to check out. Lux Auto Concepts, Blenders Eyewear, just to name a few. Get yourself some tint kits, some nice eyewear, and with like I said, guys, can't thank you enough, and we will see you in the next one. Peace.